for dying coins. Coins you need to get out of right now, in my opinion. I'm going to share these with you. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's get straight in. So guys, starting this off, let's shoot over to copper.co. Now, in the rampant 2020-21 Bitcoin bull run, okay, to 50K and beyond, Cardano was actually elevated into the top 3 cryptocurrencies for the first time, amassing a market cap of more than $39 billion. You can see it all here, the information that you need to read. Okay, also lifted into the top 10 coins was Binance stablecoin BNB. I remember getting into BNB when it was so low and it just rocketed. All right, that provided users with a fee of off-ramp to its massive exchange. The best known cryptocurrency exchange with the widest variety of altcoins in play. We got Kraken that offers over 56 coins. Coinbase supporting 49, and Binance has 253 and counting. So that's how big it is. All right. This growth is not particularly surprising. It's also worth nothing that an imperishable march to retail investor domination that Binance actually bought CoinMarketCap in April 20 for around 400 million. That's insane. So they actually bought them. Okay, so now they're capitalizing on all the different values. Anyway, we thought it'd be interesting to look at how the composition of the world's most valuable crypto projects has changed over time. We can use the Wayback Machine to take a snapshot of CoinMarketCap data over the years and actually reveal some pretty interesting conclusions. Bitcoin's movement from asset worth 1 billion to 1 trillion across the years will of course capture the most attention, but it's a changing nature of all crypto projects to swirl around in orbit and tell us the most interesting things about how markets and develops have matured, as you can see all the way down here. Now guys, Solana, here we go, is dying off. Okay, is this going to be the world's fastest blockchain to be dead? Now let's just talk a little bit about it. Solana's price decapitated. All right, Solana's TVL vaporized, the network's down. So where do we go from here? Is it dead? To answer the questions, we actually have to look at chaindebrief.com. Please go over to here. The links are down below and have a look into Solana's blockchain and its metrics. All the FUD as to why some say it's the fastest blockchain to be dead. Well, first thing we have, there's a space driven by 2 pillars. Okay, get in and do your own research on this. The narratives often reflect in price on chain data, and it's through these metrics that we decipher the Solana blockchain is dead. Okay, keep checking up. They've dropped to 12 on the rankings. All right, checking on their chart. You can see on the TVL, not doing well at all. You would think when the statistics reflected on chain is positive, the asset's price actually would follow in tandem. However, for some scenarios, this is not the case. They have a lot of innovations on their horizon, like Gito Labs, MB boasted validator, Freedancer, the infrastructure, but they are not reflected in its price. Okay, keep an eye on Solana's charts because they are not doing what most cryptos are doing building up for 2023. Now going deeper into this, Jump Crypto. Okay, Jump Crypto is part of Solana. As you can see here, Jump Crypto picked to revamp Solana to make blockchain more reliable. Is it true? Okay, it's trying to revamp a core part of Solana's infrastructure, seeking to boost throughput and reliability of a network that's been plagued by frequent outrage in slowdowns. Now, the cryptocurrency arm of Chicago-based new validator client, which is software that secures a blockchain. Additionally, Jump Crypto will propose significant upgrades to Solana. I hope they do. Okay, it has unparalleled experience with over 20 years of scaling networks, so I hope they do. Will it work? Who really knows? For Wall Street and other conventional finance, for like Jump, Solana turned into a key focus last year, given that unlike Ethereum and other blockchains using decentralized finance, it was viewed as being able to keep pace of the incredibly fast pace of trending in older markets like stocks and derivatives. Now, the hype wasn't always realized, with Solana breaking down in several high-profile incidents. Newer blockchains threaten Solana's market share. So guys, that is what my opinion is on this. I'm not 100% on if Solana is going to be one that I would invest my money into, but I've been wrong before, and I am not a financial advisor. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'm going to see you on the very next video.